Hey friends, if you wish to know what a CSV file is, it means comma separated values, in which every row or every column and every cell is a separate entity, separated by commas. So you can create it using Excel, you can create it using Google Sheets, using Calc, but I will use Excel. Okay, so I created two values here. Now I need to save it as a CSV file. Click on File, Save As, Browse, and then you can check the location, name it, and then change the save as type to CSV. Okay, there are many types of CSVs here, by the way. You can select this one, CSV comma delimited. Click on save. Okay, now you can open it with Excel or Google Sheets or Calcs, any software which supports it. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.